Sairam children, welcome back to Social Studies class. Today we will continue with the remaining part of the chapter number 11, Means of Communication. Let's do a small recap of what we have done in the previous class. Sending and receiving messages is called communication. Letters and parcels are sent through the postal service. Urgent letters or parcels can be sent through speed post or by courier. Written messages can be sent instantly through a fax machine. We can also send instant messages or SMS, that is short message services, through our mobile phones. The different means of communication are postal system, telephone, mass communication, satellite, internet and email, smartphone and e-readers. Now children, we have already done with the first two subtopics, that is postal system and telephone. In today's class, we will learn more about mass communication and satellites. Children, till now we had talked about personal communication, or one person sending messages to another. But often we need to send messages to a large number of people at the same time. For example, companies often need to advertise their products to a large number of people at the same time. They want to advertise their product to a large number of people at the same time. Followed children? Similarly, that is in the same way, the news about what is happening around the world has to reach a large number of people at the same time. For this purpose, people will use what they are going to use, children? They will use newspaper, magazine, radio and television. Right? You must have seen that some special program is going on in the television. You are also watching. Your friends are also watching at their home. So many people are watching the same program at the same time. So this is called mass communication. Followed, same program people are watching at the same time. Same news people are reading at the same time. Followed, so these are the means of mass communication. Children, on the screen you can see the following pictures: newspaper, magazine, radio and television. These means are called means of mass communication. They are called means of mass communication or mass media, as they help to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. Large number of people can receive the message. Large number of people can receive the information, the same information at the same time. Followed children? Same information can be received by the large number of population at the same time. It's called mass communication. Now children, you can view the image. Yes, what is this? This is the newspaper, right? The name of the newspaper is The Times of India. A newspaper gives us detailed news of events taking place in our country as well as in the world. Now, with the help of the newspaper, large number of people can receive or large number of people can read the same message, the same information, right? So, newspaper is a means of mass communication. It is a means of mass communication. Radio and television are also the means of mass communication. Yes, you can see radio. This radio is installed inside the car. In the car also you can see radio, right? And this is the television. They provide latest information on important events. Now we can listen and watch a variety of programs in television. In radio we can listen variety of programs, and in television we can listen as well as we can watch a variety of programs. Now some programs are for entertainment while others are for information. Now, can you name some programs that are for entertainment? Yes, children? Yes, you can watch movie. Movies are for entertainment. And information, news, right? You can watch news. News will give you lot of information. It is useful for people who cannot read and write. Now, children, people who cannot read and write, they cannot read the newspaper. So, how will they get information? They can get information from radio as well as from television. The television has become the most popular means of communication in our country. It is the most popular means of mass communication in our country, be in cities, towns or villages. Now children, you must have heard about satellite, right? Now what is a satellite? Yes, an object sent into space to travel around the earth to send and receive information. Satellites are the objects, okay, that are sent into space to travel around the earth to send and receive information. Satellites, they revolve around the earth. They travel around the earth. You can see the image. Yes, you can see this image. See what is written down. A satellite orbiting. Orbiting means it is revolving or going around the earth. It is moving around the earth. It is revolving around the earth. Why it is revolving around the earth? So that it can receive information and it can send information to various parts of the world. Now today, satellites placed high above the earth help to send telephone messages, radio and TV programs around the world instantly, very fast, around the world quickly, okay? Because of satellite, telephone messages, radio and TV programs, we can see all around the world instantly, all across the world quickly. Now children, you can see, you can view the image. Yes, this is the satellite. It is moving around the earth and it is receiving and sending messages all across the world. It is because of satellites that we are able to see sports and other events taking place in any part of the world live. A live television or radio program is one in which an event or performance is broadcast at exactly the same time as it happens, rather than being recorded first and then delivered. Followed, the events or performance is broadcasted exactly the same time as it happens or as it takes place. Television signals from one part of the world can be sent to another part of the world through satellite. Satellite is very important. Television signals can also be received all over India. Since television sets are expensive, our government has installed television sets at community center in several villages in India. Our government has installed television sets at community centers in several villages in India, because in village people are some people are very poor and they cannot buy television. So how will they watch? So government has provided them television set at community centers. You can view the picture. See, in this picture you can see so many villages are sitting together and they are watching movie, they are watching program in the television. Children, let's do a small recap of what we have learned in today's class. Means of mass communication help to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. Newspaper, radio, and television are means of mass communication or mass media for mass communication. Satellite is an object sent into space to travel around the earth to send and receive information. It is because of satellites that we are able to see sports and other events taking place in any part of the world live. We can watch them live. So children, till now we have completed 4 subtopics. Subtopic number 1, postal system. Number 2, telephones. Number 3, mass communication. And number 4, satellites. In the next class, we will do the remaining part of the chapter. Meet you in the next class. Thank you, students.